Ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders and investors, welcome to the program. Thank you for watching. Okay, here we are. What a big week in the markets. They have been racing higher. This is the SPY representing the S&P 500. We hit an all-time high today of 501.65. Last week's high was 496.05. Wow, isn't that some big moves? Before we get into that, I want to talk further about some other things going on. We have a goal of 100 subscribers. Smash that subscribe button. Smash the like button. Help us out. It helps get the channel out so there's more people can view us. Our goal is 100 subscribers. I also would like to thank all the current subscribers. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate that. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. Last week we ended here. There was some resistance Monday. There was some pressure. The sellers came in, pushed it down. Buyers came, pushed it up. We got a bottom tail. Same thing for Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the markets just took off. Okay, the big top seven stocks are really helping pushing that out. So, and I mean, this is blue sky from here, so there's nothing to really trace it off of anymore from here. We go to a weekly chart, so you can see there's nothing there left. So we go to the QQQ real quick. Okay, here we go, QQQ. All new highs today, 437.85. So we're going to take a look at this. Okay, lots of selling pressure, but buying pressure came right back, pushed it up, boom. 437.85 for the triple Qs. So I'm hoping these should stay in this for the SPY and the triple Qs. It stays in this range. It needs a pullback for a bounce up. If it's going to keep going up, we need to see a pullback. That will be bullish. So that's a good thing. We have nothing really based it off of. Let's talk about these other seven. Well, Tesla's they're at the bottom of the seven right now. They're just holding up. They're holding around 190 right now per share. But I also want to give a shout out to my boy Phil real quick. B-Dog, TR, Ben and Joel. My boy Ivy. Guys, check him out. He's pretty good at Ivy League trading. He's a lot of commitment to the trading here. But anyway, let's talk about the big seven here. Here we go. We got Apple consolidating. It's not really taking off, but it's holding up. Things are steady. Microsoft, all new highs today, $420. Google, big bullish day today. This whole week has been an uptrend. Okay, last week hurt earnings. Now it's coming right back. Same here with Microsoft. Our earnings, Microsoft came down, shooting up. Nvidia, so you can see right here, 721.85 is a high. Now this is a daily chart, so we got some lines here representing a 200-day moving average. That's a 50, a 20, and a 5-day moving average. Meta is kind of consolidating, but it's holding strong. Amazon, strong day today. It's consolidated for the past week or so, 5 days, and it really shot up really nice. Also, some big moves for people to scalp and day trade. For example, Palantir on Monday, when their earnings came out, I'll put this on a 15-minute chart. This thing just went to the moon. They doubled their expectations, and their future outlook was good. So it started at 1669 to 1909 in the first 15-minute candle. And then from $19 up to around 19.99. And then there was some nice moves here and here. So these were great trades. I enjoyed these. I enjoyed being fortunate to be able to grab some in this move as well. Another one was, again, this is an AI-related stock. which is really hot right now for tech. As you know, that's why we got this big rally. ARM is another one. They had a good outlook, not a huge. Their outlook was great, but the earnings were just beat a little bit, beat expectations. But these were big moves here: $77 up to $93 in the first 15-minute candle. Then from 93 to 106. So we were watching this. We were in on it. We knew when earnings were coming out. This was very. I'll break that down to a 5-minute chart. In fact, this thing was tough to get in, but once you get in, it went. I mean, that's a 5-minute. I'll bring it down to a 2-minute chart. Even then, you can see this thing was going. So, not sure why this popped up. But this just happened in a blink of an eye. This right here, something going on. This big dip here. I mean, it wasn't even on the tape. So, but anyway, I wanted to show you that real quick. Oil. Let's talk about oil. Crude oil. WTI is up to $76, but the interesting thing, let's go to Oxy. We're actually on a downtrend here. Okay, here's a daily chart. And, there's this support line it keeps holding. And, if Trump comes in, he's going to drill. It's going to bring our fuel prices down. It's going to bring the crude oil down. So maybe there's something going on here, that's keeping the price right here at this support since 2016. That's what this says right here on this technical analysis line, 5611. So it'll be interesting to see if that holds. Netflix, big gap up on earnings. Okay, we were not watching this one, but look at that move on this. Oh, that was last week actually. Yeah. But it's still holding this high range. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. That's strong that it's still holding that range. Apple, yeah, we saw that they're bouncing back, but they're slow. It's a little slow. Other than that, there's not really much to look at. I mean, the Nvidia's just been going straight up. You look at that in a 15-minute chart. Even today, just really took off. I guess if you got in at market open, it would about 7:05. Up here's already 7:19. So that was pretty interesting. All right, so I appreciate you watching. I'll let you know, keep you posted on anything happening. And I really appreciate you watching and appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend.